Hi guys, my name is Magnus from Yellen and welcome to my channel, Make a Point Art, your map to creativity and hopefully making some art with me. Today I am going to show you how I made this piece. It's called Shimmering Coral Reef. I made it with iridescent and metallic paints and effect paints to create cells, as you can see over there. Excuse the glare. Over there, and this without using silicone. It's a 1 meter by 30 centimeter canvas, or a 30 by 10 inch canvas, and let's get to it. So first we put on our Payne's grey base coat. As you can see, this was a canvas which I didn't like and scraped, and now to create something new. It's 30 centimeter by 1 meter, or a 10 by 30 inch canvas, touching up the sides after putting down the Payne's grey base coat, which I keep in a bottle. It's mixed with a pouring medium of PVA glue 60% and water. So going on to the white, spreading out the white, I keep my paints mixed up in bottles, and then it's ready to use. I do it once a week, and it's easier to keep it that way than to have to mix the paints every time I paint. And with the pouring medium, it doesn't go off, and it seems to work quite well months after even. Touching up the sides and making sure that all the sides are covered. Just spreading it out, retouching. Right, we seem to be ready. Torching for air bubbles, getting all the air bubbles out, and if there are any little pieces to get out. Now we're adding the iridescent blue-green, Maimeri manganese blue, sapphire effect, and just little drops everywhere. Anthracite effect, a nice dark color, and here's the metallic red. Then our gold, and a little bit more anthracite effect. Now we go to the other side, adding all the colors to the Payne's grey side, little by little, and the mother of pearl effect in the center. We torch for air bubbles to pop them, and we start to swipe. I'm swiping with pieces of cut up kitchen roll paper and putting down the end on the mother of pearl in the center, and then swiping very slowly to the edge of the canvas, taking a new piece every time and placing it just on the edge of where I swiped before to get the most elegant and most equal swipe so that there aren't any lines. And we're swiping and swiping. This is the best part of it. What's quite nice with using metallic and effect colors is that the density of the paint is different to your normal acrylic paints. So automatically metallic paints would be heavier and would sink into the acrylic paints, which then create cells. So you don't need to use silicone to create cells. Just by using denser paints or paints with metallic pieces or powder in it, pigments in it, you can create cells. So we're moving over to the white side and swiping over the white gently does it. Just moved my paper closer to me so I don't have to reach for it. And they cut up in about 10 centimeter or 2.5 inches width, and just long enough so I can hold onto it without it slipping out of my hand or it breaking. You've got to make sure that you use quite a nice thick paper. If you use normal toilet paper, 1 or 2 ply, the paper breaks off because of the contact with the paint. So use a nice thick paper and make sure that you have enough pieces to cover the entire canvas by measuring it out beforehand and putting them close to you so that you could just swipe and go. So we're nearly getting to the end of the swiping. Slowly, slowly making sure that you get all the paint spread over the entire side. And it creates a nice rainbow effect. There we torch more to get the air bubbles out and also to create cells. What happens is with the heating up of the paint, the normal acrylic paints would then settle and the metallic paints would pop up more and you would get nice cells. So we're touching up the sides, just torching a little bit more where we need to, swiping where we can, torching a bit more again, and now we touch up the sides with the brush. And there she is, Shimmering Coral Reef. Remember to subscribe and like and share this video. Also, please leave some comments below and check out the paints as well as my Instagram and Facebook pages in the description box below. Hope to see you again soon. Have a creative day.